4 years ago, I was scrolling and watching other people making money on YouTube, changing their lives for good, and I was just there watching and scrolling, and I said, hey, it's enough. Enough is enough. So I stopped scrolling and I start uploading. So what if I tell you that posting just one video on YouTube could change your entire life for good? I am not talking about going viral overnight. I am talking about building a career step by step, building a YouTube channel step by step, and building confidence. And I'm also talking about building your own freedom. Back then, I didn't have a good camera, even a good phone. I didn't have a good phone. I didn't have a good camera. So I was just stuck being there watching other people. I don't even know what to do. I didn't even have a clue of what to do. So I just say, okay, let me start. I created a channel and I don't even know what topic to start. I don't even have a niche. All I did was I keep posting on random topics. I post about cooking, I post about travel, I post about finance, I post about anything that comes to mind. That is how I started. And I know it's a very bad way of starting a YouTube channel. That is why on this video, I'm going to give you a guideline of how you can start so that you don't fail, so that you succeed in whatever you are doing on YouTube, because you are not going to be doing random topics. I'm going to tell you how to niche down as you start, which means you are going to start as a successful YouTuber, not because you don't know what to do, because I'm going to tell you what to do. Understand? So I made a decision to start posting no matter what. And that is where I started my first channel. And that one decision has changed my entire perspective. I've gone forward. I have gone forth to build a little community for myself, and it's still growing. So just hit that subscribe button to join my community. This is my second channel. This is not the first channel. This is the second channel. So if you're not seeing a lot of subscribers on this channel, just know that this is my second channel that I just started this month. Okay, I started it last month. I have built confidence over the years, and I have a clue of what exactly to do if I happen to open another channel today. And I'm going to share with you how you can build confidence, how you can have a clue of what you can do on YouTube and succeed. So let's go. Number one, why do you need to post on YouTube? Posting on YouTube might be your ticket to freedom. That is why you need to start posting. When I say post, I mean you find a purpose and you have the freedom, financial freedom, you have confidence, you have a lot to benefit posting on YouTube than not posting. You don't need a massive followers or subscribers to start posting. All you need is posting consistently. Let your channel have enough videos so that the YouTube algorithm will recognize you and start pushing you. Once the YouTube algorithm start pushing your videos, you will be recognized and you will definitely become famous, and the cash will start rolling in. So why are you not posting? Just post the first video, second video, third video, and keep on posting. Make your video authentic and let it be educational. Let it have some values that people want. Because every big YouTuber you see out there started with zero subscribers, zero views. So how come they are ranking in millions of views? People like Mr. Beast started from zero. There is no great YouTuber you see today that started with millions of followers. No, all of them started with zero. So don't be afraid to see zero subscribers on your channel, because very, very soon that zero is going to change and people will start coming. The only thing that is keeping you is you are not posting. The only difference between you and those big YouTubers you are seeing today is they keep posting while you are not posting. You are just watching. So stop scrolling and start posting. Here are the tips to motivate you. Start before you get ready. Don't say, I am not ready. Start even if you are not ready. Your phone and your voice is enough. You don't need expensive studio to start. You don't need expensive equipment. your voice and your phone is enough for you to start. So just start before you're ready. You are going to get ready along the way. Second thing you need to do is to pick a topic that you can talk about. Pick a topic. If you know how to cook, talk about cooking all through your channel. Let your channel be about cooking so that the YouTube algorithm will know that this is a cooking channel. If you're a politician, talk about politics all through your channel. If you are a sports person, talk about sports all through your channel. If you're a comedian, post comedy videos all through your channel. Don't mix it. Don't mix the topics so that YouTube will know that, okay, this is a cooking channel, this is a political channel. Now, if you have multiple talents that you know how to talk about multiple things, then you can create 2 channels or 3 channels so that if you talk about cooking, you can post it on your cooking channel. If you talk about sports, you can post it on your sportsing channel. If you do movie recap, you get another channel where you can be doing your movie recap. So don't mix it. That is why a lot of small YouTubers fail, because they are mixing this content. They don't have a specific niche. Because when YouTube started to use their search engine to crawl through your channel, they are confused because they don't know exactly what you're talking about. You're talking about cooking, you're talking about different things at the same time. Let them know you for a particular niche on that channel. If you have multiple talents, create multiple channels. People come to YouTube searching for different topics. They have different problems and they are searching for answers. Can you provide an answer to a specific topic? Talk about that topic. Pick a topic and talk about it. Some people are searching for how to clean their teeth. Some people are searching for how to trim their weight down. Some people are searching for how to travel abroad. Some people are talking about how to increase their finance. Some people are talking about how to look beautiful. Some people are talking about how to be mentally stable. All these things are different niches. You can pick one and start talking about them. The next thing you want to do as a new YouTuber is to post one video for every week for 90 days. Like post one video a week for 90 days. Pick a pen and a paper and start jotting down how many days that you have uploaded your videos. One video a week for 90 days. Once you do that, you start seeing a lot and massive changes come to your channels, because in the long run, you will now start getting knowledge of what to do for your channel to grow. So post one video a week for 90 days. That is a challenge that I'm giving to you as a new YouTuber. If you do that, come back here and comment on this video. Don't just watch and go. Hit the subscribe button to follow me for more, and also leave a comment. Let me know if you are going to try this method, posting one video a week for 90 days. Comment and tell me if you are going to do it. Let me hear from you. There is a secret I want to let you in. As a new YouTuber, you might be tempted to be watching your views every now and then, and that is going to get you discouraged. So the best thing you need to do is forget about the views. Focus on posting original content. Just focus on increasing your content with quality videos. Videos that are educational. Keep posting. Take your eyes off the views, because if you keep watching the views, you'll get discouraged and you will stop posting. But if you take your eyes off the views, you will get better by the day. The next most important thing you should know is your thumbnails. It's not enough to create good videos, educational videos. Your videos can be powerful, but your thumbnails can flop it. You see? So if you have a great videos and your thumbnails are poor, then you are not going to get results. Let's create a thumbnail that is powerful, a thumbnails that drag people in, a thumbnails that make people to click. So you are going to do a research of thumbnails, how to create thumbnails that attract, so that your videos will get click. Because if you create a great video and nobody's clicking on it because of your thumbnails, then you are going to like get discouraged because nobody's going to watch it. So take your time to create powerful thumbnails. If you want me to create one for you, comment on the video and tell me that you need me to create one thumbnail for you. The next most important thing you need to know is pretending to talk to one person. Talk to yourself instead of seeing yourself talking to millions of people. No, because if you do that, you'll be discouraged that, oh, people don't like my videos. Why are they not watching my video? Pretend that you are talking to yourself. When you set up your camera, pretend that you're talking to yourself. Pretend you're talking to just one person and not the entire world. That way you can give your video the best. So that is the most important trick that you can use as a beginner to get some good and quality videos out there. Why you need to start posting on YouTube is not just about the money, it's not just about the followers and the views. It's about building confidence, it's about building a career, ownership, investment. Building a YouTube channel is an investment that will yield more benefits in times to come. Let's say 5 years, 10 years to come, 20 years to come, 30 years to come, if you do it right. That is why you need to avoid copyright claims. When YouTube updates their policies, it might not affect your channel, because a lot of channels have gone down because of policies. Channels that have been built 10 years ago went down because they did not follow these policies. Meaning that if you are creating your videos, in fact, don't put any music to avoid all these copyright claims. Don't put music. Leave your video like that. Leave your video like that. If you know that this thing is going to disturb you in the long run, just don't use it. Like, beginning from now, from the very moment you start your channel, don't use music. Even though they said the music, you can just acknowledge the owner of the music, you can just give it some credits. Don't do it. Don't put music in your videos. Leave the music. Use the video like that and upload like that. Let us know that yes, this is my video. I'm not using anybody's music. I'm not using anybody copyright materials. So for you to protect your investment on YouTube, you need to post original content. So if you have been waiting for the perfect time to create your video, this is it. You can start posting video right away. Keep posting. Start and keep posting. If this video gives you a spark to start creating your own channel, hit that subscribe button, because I have a lot of more strategies and a lot of ways that you can grow your channel. And I will see you on my next video. Bye.